In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use some basic tools in GIMP to create shapes and have fun with colors. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open source image editor that's packed with features. Whether you're new to it or just looking to brush up on the basics, this guide will help you get started. First, let's open up GIMP. Once you have it launched on your computer, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You should see various tool icons on the left side, a large empty canvas in the middle where you'll be creating your masterpiece, and different options and settings for adjusting your tools on the right. Having a good understanding of your workspace helps make the process smoother. Now direct your attention to the tool panel on the left side of your screen. Locate the Rectangle Select tool, which looks like a dashed rectangle. This tool is perfect for drawing rectangles and selecting specific areas of your canvas to work on. Once you click on it, move to your canvas. Click and hold to draw a rectangle of your desired size on the blank canvas. You'll notice the selected area is highlighted, indicating where your creative touch will go next. With your rectangle selection ready, we can bring in some color. It's time to use the paintbrush tool. Before we do that, let's choose a color. On the right side, look for a color palette or a box showing your current foreground color. Click on it to choose from an array of colors. Pick one that suits your mood or theme, whether a bold red or a calming blue. Once you've selected your color, head back over to the tool panel on the left and click on the paintbrush tool. This tool will allow you to draw and paint over the selected rectangle. Start by clicking inside the rectangle and begin drawing any shape or scribble that comes to mind. The purpose here is to explore and enjoy the freedom of creating with different shapes and colors. If you make a mistake or want to try something different, you can always use the undo function by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This handy feature is great for correcting errors on the go. When you're finished, you may want to admire your work or even share it with others. If so, remember to save your project to keep a record of your learning journey. GIMP allows you to save in its native format or export your creation as a JPEG or PNG for sharing online. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to use the Rectangle Select tool and the Paintbrush tool in GIMP to create colorful designs. Practice is key to getting comfortable with these tools, so don't hesitate to experiment with different sizes, shapes, and colors. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!